Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Denon D-T1 amplifier and you're wondering how to do a hard reset on it to get it back to its factory settings. So this is real simple. I'm going to show you how to do it. So once you have it turned on, you're just going to toggle the source over to CD. Once you get over to CD, there's the eject button over here. You're going to press and hold the eject button, and while you're pressing and holding the eject button, you're going to press and hold the source button as well for 5 seconds. Once you hold it for 5 seconds, it will pop up with the sign that it is resetting. So, and if that doesn't reset it, then you can just start the process again. So anyways, quite simple. We toggle over to CD, press and hold the eject, and press and hold, and once we've got the eject button down, we're going to press and hold the source button at the same time for 5 seconds, and it will reset the amplifier. So anyways, hope this video helped you. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.